Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our third game this afternoon. It's the matchup between the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights and the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Of course, we are your commentators this afternoon. I am Cristina Canzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng napakagandang bakbakan dito sa ating dalawang malaking eskwelahan, which is the Ateneo and the NCF.
Ayan, T, nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa matchup na pinakahihintay ng ating mga manonood with two big crowds, the NCF Tigers and the Ateneo Golden Knights. So, kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito ngayong hapon? Yan ang aabangan natin. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-tune in sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga, dito po ginaganap ang live streaming ng mga games sa Bucal Season 6. So, tutok lamang po kasi maya-maya magsha-shoutout po kami.
At ayan nga, Rick, pag-usapan natin itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito, the Ateneo de Naga University. Meron po silang 4 na panalo, while 3 po yung kanilang talo. While on the other side, the Naga College Foundation, meron na pong 3 panalo at 4 na talo. Kaya naman ngayong hapon talagang dikdikan yung magiging laban na ito dahil napakaganda. Dalawang pinakamalaking schools po ang maglalaban-laban ngayong hapon na ito.
And we know na pag nagharap itong dalawang school na ito, talagang napaka-intense ng match-up. So yun po ang aabangan natin all throughout this game. Again, napakaganda ng mangyayari if ever na manalo dito ang NCF Tigers because the Division 1 on Seniors Division, ang number 1 up to number 4, pag nanalo dito ang ating NCF Tigers, pare-pareho po sila 4-4 ang standing. But pag nanalo dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights, sila po ang number 1 natin sa Division 1 when it comes to their standing, having a 5-3 if manalo dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. So a must-watch para sa lahat ng mga supporters ng basketball dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Ayan, syempre hindi nila yung palalagpasin dahil nga na-miss natin ang Bucal Season 6 at mapanood po yung mga favorite nating teams. Yun talaga yung inaabangan natin at maya-maya nga po, sabi nga mo nga Rick, mamaya mag-shoutout tayo sa ating mga supporters and live viewers sa ating mga Facebook pages. Kaya comment down below dahil talagang babasahin po natin yan maya-maya. And of course, in just a few minutes, we're going to start this matchup of the Ateneo and the Naga College Foundation. Kaya naman po, maraming salamat po sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium dahil paunti-unti na pong napupuno ang ating gymnasium ngayon at inaabangan na lang po natin na mag-umpisa itong laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito dahil nakikita nga natin tuwing naglalaban itong ating Ateneo at NCF Tigers, hindi talaga natin mawala sa isipan natin na napakaganda lagi nung binibigay na performance dito ng ating dalawang kupunan.
And dito natin malalaman kung ano ang magiging pasunod-sunod ng ating ranking sa Division 1 because next week po magkakaroon tayo ng play-in dito sa Bucal Season 6. So, ang larong ito is very important for these both teams para magkaroon ng magandang standing sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now, nakikita naman natin dito sa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium na paunti-unti napupuno ang ating bleachers. On my right side, we have the NCF community and on my left side, we have the Ateneo community. So I'm sure talagang ready dito ang lahat ng taong sumuporta sa paborito nilang school. And to hear an update sa side ng Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter Maui. Hi Maui, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. What an exhilarating Sunday afternoon here at the Ateneo Gymnasium as two powerhouse teams are set to clash on what promises to be an unforgettable match. I am Maui Balane and I am thrilled to be your courtside reporter for today's game, giving you live updates only from the courtside of the NCF Tigers. The Tigers' journey was not a walk in the park as their previous game resulted in a heartbreaking losses. That is why the Tigers are hungry for redemption, eager to prove their dominance in the hardcourt. The tension is palpable as the Tigers prepare to take on their opponents, fully aware of the stakes of this crucial matchup. Now for more live actions, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, handang-handa po ngayong hapon na ito ang ating Naga College Foundation na Tigers. Dahil kung mapapansin nga natin doon sa mga past game nitong ating NCF Tigers, medyo hindi natin nakita yung talagang napakagandang laban na pinakita nila last season. But now, titinan natin yan. And on the other side, the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights, ganun din yung gusto nilang gawin ngayong hapon na ito, kundi makuha yung panalo at maging number 1 para sa ating seniors division. And to hear an update from the side of the Ateneo, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Liz. Hi Liz, update natin dyan.
Flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for another game day of Bucal Season 6. This is the last dance as we draw closer to the second round of eliminations. This is the Ateneo Golden Knights versus NCF Tigers. I am your courtside correspondent, Lizlene Habala, reporting from the bench of the blue and gold Ateneo Golden Knights. Now that we are back after the long hiatus, the Ateneo Golden Knights is now set to showcase their spectacular performance across the board. According to Coach Nuki Sabio, they faced a lot of challenges and adversities after losing the last 2 games. Now, despite all odds, they are 100% mentally and physically prepared for this showdown. With that, the question remains, will the Ateneo Golden Knights claim their sweet back-to-back victory against the NCF Tigers? Or will the NCF Tigers prove us that they own the victory for the second round of elimination? Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media, TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Bucal Season 6 for Future Rise.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update. Napakaganda ng sinabi dito ni Liz. Meron talaga siyang iniwang question sa atin. Will the Adnu Golden Knights win back-to-back versus the NCF Tigers, or will NCF Tigers clinch their first win against the Ateneo Golden Knights? So yan po ang aabangan natin all throughout this match, and as you can see on our screen, magsisimula na po ang pinakahihintay nating bakbakang Tigers and Golden Knights.
Now, jump ball tayo dito of the matchup of the NCF and the Ateneo. Now, Lavandero para sa side ng NCF Tigers, and it will be their ball possession here. Now, team captain Katamora passes to Guadas now. Now, titignan natin dito kung ito bang mga players ng NCF ready na makipaghampangan sa Ateneo Golden Knights, kung saan natalo nga sila doon sa ating first round of elimination. Kaya naman andyan yung kanilang puso para manalo ngayong hapon na ito.
Now, ball possession ng Golden Knights. Monay passing the ball to jersey number 61.
Now, Aureliano passes to Bucal for a three-pointer. In and out ball. At naipasok nga ang unang basket on the side of the Ateneo.
Unang 3 para dito sa araw na ito on the side of Golden Knights. And what a nice block coming from the Golden Knights. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul ang kupunan ng Golden Knights. Now, Lavandero stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. Ayan, maagang shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout po kay Nicole Andre Oliva, kay Reggie Santa Rosa, kay Kyle, kay Son Almeda, and kay Piper Adamos. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkagtabay. But on that last free throw of the NCF Tigers, hindi na ipasok yan. Ateneo now with the ball possession. Arellano, 13 seconds to shoot here. Goes inside, tries, no good. Katamora was there for that rebound. Nagmamadali dito. And that's the first basket on the side of the Tigers.
Ateneo with the ball possession. They are up by 1 para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter. Tripulca passing the ball to Mon Arellano, and jersey number 61, Domingo, getting that into the basket at samahan pa yan ng foul.
Mukhang buhay na buhay yung gameplay ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And they are really determined to get the win again against the NCF Tigers. Pero titignan natin kung hahayaan ba ng NCF Tigers na sa second time makuha ng Ateneo yung kanilang panalo dito. Now, Domingo with that 3-point play here. Now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. 4 na puntos yung kanilang hinahabol dito sa ating first quarter.
Now Guades passing the ball to San Gabriel. Heavily guarded here by Aureliano. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Tigers. Napakaganda ng defense ang binibitawan dito ng Golden Knights. And now, offensive rebound para sa Tigers. What a nice pass! But wasted opportunity on the side of Tigers.
Now we can see the defense of the Ateneo Golden Knights here, but on that last sequence, a traveling violation was committed on their side. So a lost opportunity on their team here. And this is a chance for the NCF Tigers to gain a point here. And to loosen up dahil nga medyo makipit yung bantay dito ng Golden Knights. Now Guades, 15 seconds to shoot here. San Gabriel passes to Guades. Now guarded here, tries for a three-pointer. No good. Catamora, offensive rebound. And that's good for the second chance point on their side. Now whistle foul here para kay San Gabriel. Pushing foul. Now it's the ball possession of the Golden Knights. Aureliano to inbound. To Bucal, to Domingo. And that's a good fadeaway shot coming from him.
Napakaganda ng offense ang pinapakita dito ni Domingo. And meanwhile, Ateneo defense talagang nahihirapan ditong pasukin ng NCF ang kanilang court.
Now let's see, 7 seconds to shoot here. Is San Gabriel. Steal from the side of Ateneo. Tripuca, nagmamadali dito. No good on that one. Domingo was there to save that ball. Another shot coming from Domingo. Grabe. Ito nga si Cello Domingo ng Ateneo. Talagang pinaiingay niya dito yung crowd ng Ateneo. Because as of now, 6 points yung hawak ng kalamangan ng Golden Knights. Now, San Gabriel, block, denied by Aureliano. Aureliano now goes inside for a back-to-back point coming from the Knights here. Grabe yung momentum na sa start ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights here. Now, let's see kung babawi ba dito ang ating Tigers.
Gabito with the ball. And now Catamora, muntik pang mabitawan ng bolang yon. Catamora will try for 3 in and out ball. Domingo securing that ball on the side of the Golden Knights.
Yan, medyo nahihirapan dito yung ating NCF Tigers on their offense. While on the other side, Ateneo, tira ng tira. And with that last three-pointer coming from Tripuca, making it an 11-point lead. Double-digit na agad yung hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights. Ano kaya maging adjustment dito ng NCF? Catamora, 9 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gabito. San Gabriel fires for 3. Babawi. No good. A whistle foul there. Para dito kay team captain Catamora. Now, let's see Ateneo's basketball here. Jersey number 14, Monay, passes to Madridano. But a steal coming from Gabito. Nagmamadali dito. Pero ano they lost opportunity with that traveling violation. Na Plaza ngayon papasok sa loob ng Ateneo. He add intense game here. Mase ngayon. Mase, present on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see ano kaya yung maging adjustment dito na ngayon nasa loob na si Franco Mase.
Tripulka, heavily guarded by Katamora. But the ball will stay on the side of the Golden Knights. Again, napakaganda ng pinapakita dito sa first quarter ng ating Golden Knights side. Hindi pa nahanap dito ng NCF ang kanilang sagot sa mga ipinapakitang napakagandang opensa at depensa. So, couple of substitution on the side of the NCF Tigers. Nawada ipapasok dito.
Now let's see here, Madridano passes Tripulka. Tripulka passes on the outside to Plaza. Long two para dito kay Plaza. And still, hindi pa napuputol yung tuloy-tuloy na pagpuntos dito ng Golden Knights. Now let's see, Mase loses that ball. So it will be a turnover for the side of the Golden Knights. At dahil nga dyan sa momentum ng Golden Knights, a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers dahil kitang-kita naman po natin doon sa kalahatian ng ating first quarter, Ateneo Golden Knights nagpapaulan ng napakagandang opensa at napaka-secured na depensa against the NCF Tigers.
Ayan, Tin, kanina pa nga natin nakikitang nahihirapan ditong pumasok talaga itong NCF Tigers. They are being pressed by the Ateneo Golden Knights when it comes to their defense. So let's see on this timeout kung anong magiging adjustment on the side of Tigers because 17 for an hour scoreboard, medyo lumalaki na dito ang kailangang habulin ng ating NCF Tigers. And 4 minutes and 9 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first quarter. They need to build momentum sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter para maidala nila ito sa pagpasok ng ating pangalawang quarter. Now back to the ball game.
Now let's see if itong timeout ba to ng NCF Tigers muling babalik yung magandang laro ng NCF Tigers dahil pinutol nila yung momentum dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see the ball possession of the Ateneo Plaza. Ngumingiti-ngiti pa dyan. Now let's see 17 seconds to shoot. Passes on the outside. Tripulka again for a three-pointer. No good this time, but Domingo was there. And the ball will stay on the side of the Knights. 17-4. Double-digit lead of the Knights here. But a steal from the side of the NCF Tigers. Mase. Passes on the other side. Nuwada heavily guarded here. Pero that's a traveling violation. Continuously yung turnover dito ng NCF Tigers.
Now Golden Knights with the ball possession. Plaza. Tatawid ang bola. And securing that ball, San Gabriel. Passing to Arenzana. At ito ang hinahanap dito ng Tigers community. Ang magkaroon ng magandang offense ang kanilang kupunan.
Yes, napakagandang assist coming from San Gabriel here. Now, Ateneo Arellano passes to Plaza. Plaza to the other side. Bucal for an offensive rebound. Goes inside. And that's good for a second chance point here. Now, Ateneo still determined here to get their second win against the NCF Tigers. Iba yung rivalry nitong NCF and Ateneo. Now, Nuwada. Miscommunication on their side here. Another turnover. Tripulka and Domingo magpapahinga muna dito sa side ng Golden Knights. Now let's see. 19:06. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining.
Plaza to inbound. And great sale coming from San Gabriel. Gabito to Arenzana. Again, Arenzana using his height para magkaroon dito ng puntos.
Yes, yun na yung ginagamit ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Pero at the same time, Ateneo hindi pa rin tumitigil dito sa magandang opensa nila and connection between the players here na medyo kailangan ding habulin ng NCF Tigers dito. Now, Franco Mase, pass to Arenzana. Just in 12 seconds to shoot here. Nuwada for a 3-pointer. Medyo tulog pa yung mga outside shooting dito ng NCF Tigers. Mase tries one more time. Pass on the other side. Too short for that one.
And now chance for the Golden Knights here to add their score.
Now 15 seconds to shoot on the side of the Ateneo. Arellano to inbound, 21-8. Fulgar passes to jersey number 21, Bongala. Jersey number 10 now. Passes on the other side. Fulgar for a fadeaway shot. That's good.
$23-8 on our scoreboard. What will the NCF do on this crucial moment? Masa will try for 3, too short for that. But Arenzana again, lifting their teammates.
Now this is a 6-point straight points coming from Arenzana. Big man ng ating NCF Tigers. So talagang isa sa bumubuhat ngayon dito sa ating first quarter from the side of the NCF Tigers.
While on the other side of things, Ateneo, talagang nakikita natin dito, napakaganda ng kanilang connection inside the court. A collective effort to build this kind of gap. 23-10 on our scoreboard. 46 seconds remaining.
Now Mon Arellano for his second free throw here. NCF now on the penalty. 46 seconds remaining. Now let's see here. No good on that second free throw. Nuwada with that rebound. San Gabriel still no good. Pero another turnover. Foul was whistled to Arenzana here. .37 seconds remaining.
Clean basket dito para kay Abrasaldo.
Yan, Rick, quick shoutout lang tayo dito kay John Michael Paul, Mary Franz Lanuzo, Angela Carillo Ampongan, kay Enzo Lawrence at kay Evelyn Alcanzo Reyes. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-andabay. Now, Abrasaldo for his second free throw here. Making it a 15-point lead now. Biggest gap para dito sa quarter na ito.
Mase, may hawak ng ball on the side of the Tigers. And a foul was called on jersey number 28, Magno.
Now 17 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Tigers.
Arenzana to San Gabriel, rather Mase.
Umiinit na yung laban dito. Rick, medyo nagkakainitan na yung mga players dito ng Ateneo and NCF. And it is still the ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
14 seconds to shoot. Now, San Gabriel to inbound. 14 seconds on the shot clock and 26 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Anong gagawin dito ng NCF? Palahe. Heavily guarded here by Fulgar. Novada tries to go inside, but traveling violation was called on him.
Ang dami na nung mga violation dito na nagagawa ng NCF Tigers. Ang daming opportunity yung nawawala doon sa kanilang side because of a lot of turnovers here. Now 25-10, 15-point lead ang hawak po ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights at napakaganda nung ipinapakita nilang performance. While on the other side, hindi pa rin nakukuha nitong ating NCF Tigers yung magandang momentum doon sa kanilang side. So after this first quarter, let's see kung ano ba yung magiging adjustment nila dito para makuha o mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Ateneo.
So yan ang aabangan natin dito, Tin, sa side ng NCF because hindi pa rin talaga nila nakukuha yung connection inside the court. That's why this Ateneo Golden Knights squad taking advantage on every gap and lapses na nagagawa dito ng NCF. So ano kayang magiging new adjustment dito ng side ng NCF coming from the timeout called by Coach Brian?
Now 14 seconds remaining on our first quarter. It will be the ball possession of the Ateneo. With that 15-point lead, will they add a point here? Now, jersey number 21, Bongala. Passes here to jersey number 10 of Rosaldo. Heavily guarded here. Now on the other side, no good on that one. San Gabriel ngayon, hindi na umabot. And that's the end of our first quarter. Double-digit lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, 25-10. We will be back for the second quarter of the game, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for the second quarter of the game of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. At kung makikita po natin doon sa pagtatapos po ng ating first quarter, nakita natin yung napakagandang performance na ginawa dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, making that double-digit lead dahil nga doon sa napakagandang opensa na ibinibigay dito ng kada players ng Ateneo Golden Knights at yung depensa na napakahirap buwagin nitong NCF Tigers. But now on the second quarter of the game, let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the NCF Tigers. Na ngayon nakita na nila yung pagbabago dito ng laro ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Mas nag-level up yung ipinakita dito ng Golden Knights. And at this moment, talagang determinado silang makuha muli yung panalo against the NCF Tigers. But let's see, dahil medyo mahaba-haba pa po ito magiging laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung kaya nilang ipakita dito as we are starting the second quarter of the game. Now Mase to inbound here, 14 seconds to shoot. Now, man-to-man defense here. Jersey number 1, Palilio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Mase on the inside. Pero technical yung naitawag dito kay jersey number 16 Beltran. Bagong pasok na si Beltran. Technical foul yung naitawag dito ng mga officials. Nuwada. Ayan, sunod-sunod na yung foul na naitatawag dito sa mga players ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, umiinit na. Kung kanina, nakita na natin yung pagsimula dito ng connection nitong Ateneo at NCF ngayon. Mas lalong tumitindi yung init ng bakbakan sa ating second quarter.
Yes, we can feel the intense matchup between these two teams. Now, NCF basketball. Heavily guarded here. Tripulka, itatawid ang bola. Great steal coming from Arenzana. Palilio. And Palilio will score. So, nice offense on that last sequence para dito sa NCF. Back Tripulka to inbound. And I think ready ito ang courtside reporter ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, Liz. Hi Liz, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Tin, it was a great and powerful start for the Ateneo Golden Knights, giving us a big point for the lead. Mac Tripulka have been instrumental in maintaining their lead after delivering crucial baskets. And of course now, the NCF Tigers are eager to close the gap. The Golden Knights must maintain their momentum and capitalize on the Tigers' turnovers. During the huddle, they plan to tighten up their defense and play with a back-to-zero mentality to dominate the succeeding quarters. That's things here at the court side. Back to you, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan nga, nakita na nga nitong Ateneo Golden Knights yung importansya ng mga turnovers na nagagawa ng NCF Tigers. Naging advantage yun on the other side. At talagang mas pag-iigihan pa nila dito yung kanilang opensa. And of course, lahat ng players ng Ateneo to do their best here sa ating second quarter. And don't be complacent dahil napakabilis lang yan para sa NCF Tigers na mahabol itong kanilang kalamangan. Now 25-16. Arellano for a three-pointer. No good. But now on an offensive rebound. One more time. And the ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. At para marinig natin kung ano nga ba yung naging adjustment nila dito sa ating second quarter, let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. As the game unfolds, it is still a test of character for the NCF Tigers as they try to control the pace of the game. Up to this point, they are still challenged by the Ateneo Golden Knights na para bang nauulit ang pangyayari sa kanilang unang paghaharap. Will they rise to the challenge for them to finally beat the Ateneo Golden Knights? 2 tutok lang dito sa Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much for that update, Maui. So this is not yet over on the side of the NCF Tigers because as we can see right now, nagkakaroon sila dito ng mga mini runs. And let's see kung patuloy ba itong magagawa or magiging consistent ba dito sa pinapakitang game plan ng ating NCF Tigers because naibaba nila dito ang kalamangang hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 25-18 on our scoreboard. 7 points na po lamang ang iniingat-ingatang lead dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
At nakita nga natin, wala pa pong puntos na nagagawa yung Ateneo Golden Knights. But on that last sequence, first basket para dito sa ating second quarter ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Kudos dito kay Madridano. Pero grabe din yung nagawang puntos dito ng NCF Tigers from 10 points. Ngayon, tumaas na sa 8. Yung kanilang nagawa dito sa ating second quarter. Big changes here. Now let's see if this will continue. At kung tuloy-tuloy ito, kailangan na talagang gumawa ng paraan ulit ng Ateneo Golden Knights dahil humahabol na ang ating NCF Tigers. Now jersey number 7, Madridano on the free throw line here. 27-18. Now chance for a 3-point play. Madridano, bonus free throw. That's good.
Now NCF basketball, Palillo itatawid ang bola. Passing the ball to Palahe, pero no good on that attempt. Now Golden Knights on the offense. Tripulka looking for his teammate, heavily guarded here by Mase. And a foul was called on Mase on that last sequence. Aureliano passing the ball to Madridano, forcing that one. And again, napakaganda ng ginawa doon ni Aureliano.
Grabe dun sa mga napakahirap na plays dito ng Ateneo, talagang nagagawa nila ng paraan na muling bumabalik dito yung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng Ateneo. Now a chance for a 3-point play here for Arellano. 30-18 on our scoreboard. Making it still a 30. Now Nuwada with the ball here. Pass to San Gabriel. Now hanapin dito si Palillo. 12 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Tigers. Heavily guarded on the other side for a 3-pointer. Still no good para dito kay Nuwada. Hindi pa natin nakikita na muli yung magandang laro sa outside shooting itong si Nuwada. But Arenzano with that steal. An opportunity here for the Tigers. Palillo was there to secure that ball. 15 seconds, goes inside. Di alintanang pantay. Palillo against Domingo. And Palillo wins that duel against Domingo. Now, it's the Ateneo's basketball.
Tripulka. Tansyado ni Tripulka on that last sequence ang kanyang opensa. And now, back to 12-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang koponan. Palillo. Passing the ball to Palahe. Heavily guarded here. Let's take a look one more time at that replay.
Now the officials will review that last sequence. Grabe na dito yung initan ng laban ng Ateneo at NCF.
And speaking of mainit, Talagang napakaganda ng suporta naman ng ating mga live audiences or live viewers dito sa ating live streaming. Kaya mag-shoutout muna tayo, Tin. Shoutout dito kay Jeric Janko, Christine Lois Papa, Aljon Pogoy, Francis Mase, kay Maria Christine Del Aire. Maraming salamat po sa mainit na suporta dito sa ating match-up ngayong hapon na ito.
Yan, maraming salamat. And of course, sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium na talagang nakasuporta sa Ateneo and NCF. Now, as we can see, 32-20 on our scoreboard. Yung kanilang 15 points na napakalaking kalamangan bago magtapos yung ating first quarter, eh naibaba na lamang po sa 12 points. Yan yun. Jersey number 55, Arellano, tatawagan dito ng unsportsmanship-like foul against that last sequence. So Palilio will be on the free throw line here. Palilio, first free throw, no good. Kahit sa mga free throw, kailangan to ngayon ng NCF Tigers dahil naghahabol sila dito.
They should maximize every opportunity na napupunta sa kanila, and on that last attempt, makakakuha na dito ng isang puntos itong si Palilio. And now Nawada to inbound. So it's a good sign on the side of the NCF community because slowly but surely nagkakaroon na dito ng magandang connection ng ang kanilang mga players inside the court. Now Palilio and Cervantes, mabibitawan ng bolang yon. Pero Aureliano to the rescue on that ball. Nawada with that steal.
No chance here for the NCF Tigers. Di derecho, James Nawada, no good. Bulgar with that rebound. Ateneo now on the offense. Jersey number 14, Monay. The passes here to Bulgar. Madridge jumper, no good. Palilio with that rebound. Nagmamadali dito for a layup. That's good. Now, back to one-digit lead ang ating Ateneo with that connection of the players here on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, Tripulka, heavily guarded, passes on the outside. And that's a good point coming from Domingo.
So nice point conversion para dito kay Domingo. Anong bawi dito ng NCF? Palilio heavily guarded here. Fires for that one! And si Palilio palang hinahanap dito sa loob ng court on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Yan, kanina nga doon sa first quarter, walang Palilio doon sa loob ng NCF court. But now, handang-handa na din itong ating NCF Tigers to conquer the second quarter of the game. And with that, bumawi ulit yung ating Ateneo Golden Knights ng 3-point shot din. Kung kaya ngayon, 36-26. Palilio again! A back-to-back 3-pointer coming from Palilio.
Showdown between Palilio and Domingo. What a nice game for these both teams, but Cervantes loses that one. Crucial error for him.
Ayan, Rick, nabubuhayin na yung ating NCF community as well as the NCF players here. Dahil napakaganda na nung naging connection nila dito from the offense. Kailangan lang nilang mas pag-itingin ngayon is yung kanilang depensa. Dahil nakakapasok pa itong mga players ng Ateneo dyan. But now, let's see, as this is the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Arellano, and pounding that ball. Gabito was there to snatch that ball. And the layup, sayang. Pero merong foul na naitawag dyan. Dalawang beses din right ng NCF. Gabito and Nawada, no good on that 2 points. Pero Nawada will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
So napakaganda nung ginawa yon Ginawang yon ni Nuwada, but unfortunately hindi nakapasok yung second chance point sana. But this time, successful itong free throw attempt. Unang free throw ni Nuwada in this game. So 6-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights. Gabito securing that offensive rebound. San Gabriel to Nuwada. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. San Gabriel. Wala pa din dito. Pero balik sa NCF ang bola. At yun ang hinahanap dito ni Coach Brian sa kanyang mga player. That's why Coach Nuki pressing the timeout button on the side of their team.
At ngayon nga, Rick, kitang-kita mo na yung pagbabago ng laro sa ating second quarter. Kung sa first quarter po talagang inulan tayo ng puntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights. But now, the NCF Tigers back on their gameplay dahil 4 na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol dito. At kitang-kita naman natin yung change of momentum at sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito ng NCF Tigers. Big things din dito sa ating mga players, most especially Palilio na bagong pasok dito sa ating quarter pero talagang nagpaulan siya ng dress dito. Talagang napakaganda nung ipinakita dito ni Palilio. Now, let's take a look at it again.
Some Palilio highlights.
Grabe, siya talaga yung nag-ingay dito sa ating second quarter and that's another 3 coming from him. Talagang binuhay niya yung laro ng NCF Tigers dito simula nung pagpasok niya sa ating second quarter and naging tuloy-tuloy na yung pagpuntos ng ating NCF Tigers. But after this timeout, this is a big help from the side of the Ateneo dahil pinutol nila yung momentum dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But let's see kung uubra ba yung ginawa dito ng Ateneo because this will be the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see for the defense of the NCF Tigers.
Great steal and Nuwada. Napakaganda ng pinapakita ngayon ng NCF Tigers. So buhay na buhay dito ang NCF fans. Meanwhile, Plaza nagmamadali.
Now, 2-point lead na lamang po ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo. But now, with this ball possession, they need to add more points here. Domingo passes to Fulgar. 15 seconds to shoot. Tries for a 3-pointer, no good. And Nuwada with that rebound, a chance here to tie the game. San Gabriel, no good. Abrasaldo with that rebound.
What a nice steal coming from Mase and now San Gabriel passing the ball to Gabito pero medyo kinapos on that. And now Ateneo with the ball possession. Fadeaway shot coming from Plaza, no good.
Now, NCF securing that ball possession here. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Nuwada, chance to tie the game. But Domingo or Fulgar was there to steal that ball. Now, a layup from the side of the Ateneo. Kudos dito kay Valle. Hindi hinayaan na makadagdag yung puntos dito ng NCF Tigers.
Back to 4-point lead para dito sa ating second quarter. And now Nuwada. Matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Again, napakasayang ng mga opportunity na hawak ng NCF at this moment. And on the side of the Golden Knights, talagang ayaw ditong padikitin ang puntos ng NCF sa kanilang lead.
Now Ateneo, 35 seconds remaining here. Now let's see if they can extend their lead here. But a steal from the side of the NCF Tiger, loses it. San Gabriel was there. 18 seconds to shoot. Now, Lavandero pass to Mase. 19 seconds left for our first half here. Mase, hahanap dito, pero Pero that's a traveling violation. Another lost opportunity for the side of the NCF Tigers. At sa 13 points or sa 13 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Let's see what will the Ateneo do at this moment to extend their lead here. Now Abrazado to inbound. 10 seconds to shoot here. Abrazado, pass on the inside. Fulcar loses it. Tries one more time. Laresma. And that's the end of our second quarter. 38-34. Napakagandang bakbakan po. At huwag kayong bibitaw dahil magbabalik po kami sa second half of this matchup only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back for the third quarter of the game here for the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. At doon po sa pagtatapos ng ating first half, muling nagbabalik yung magandang laro dito ng ating NCF Tigers kung saan 4 na puntos po na ibaba sa 4 na puntos yung hinahabol nila dito ngayon. Kaya napakaganda ng magiging sunod na mangyayari dito. Dahil as of this moment, a steal from Mase was committed here. Try for a 3-pointer, no good. And jersey number 7 was there for that rebound. Pero ito rin pag-usapan natin ng ating first half na nangyari kanina lamang. Ang daming na-commit dito na turnover itong ating NCF Tigers. Kung kaya ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit medyo nahirapan sila doon sa pagsisimula dito ng first quarter. Pero nakuha agad nila yung momentum nila during the second quarter of the game. And now, let's see dito sa ating third quarter if this will continue yung magandang laro ng NCF Tigers or the Ateneo Golden Knights bounce back at kukunin muli yung momentum nila dito sa quarter na ito. Now, Bucal passes here to Arellano. 14 seconds to shoot here. 38-36. 2-point lead of the Ateneo. Now let's see here. Arellano goes inside for a layup. No good.
Now chance for the NCF Tigers here, pero napalakas yung pasang yun ni Mase. That's why turnover on their side. 2 points na lamang po dito ang hinahabol ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, Arellano makakakuha ng 2 puntos, so back to 4-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. And so here on the other side of things, let's call Maui, the courtside reporter of Tigers. Anong balita dyan?
We are now on the second half of this match, wherein the NCF Tigers are still looking for war to win in this match with their adjustments that Coach Brian made, hoping that the players will see as an eye-opener, hoping for the players to step up and take each chances that will be given to them in order for them to start turning the side in their favor. Now for more live action, just tune in here at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, nakita natin yung momentum doon ng ating NCF Tigers during the second quarter of the game. And now they are really more determined to get this third quarter and get the win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. But on the other side, talagang ginagawa ng paraan nitong ating Ateneo na hindi mawala yung kanilang kalamangan dito at yung lead. And to hear an update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, anong update natin dyan?
The battle is slowly getting neck and neck here at the Adnu Gymnasium as we enter the second half of the game. As the tension increases, kitang-kita na walang gustong magpaawat, walang gustong magpatalo. The Golden Knights will try to counter the Tigers' efforts by using half-court man-to-man, attacking all the open opportunities and by keeping an eye to the most dangerous players of the NCF Tigers. Indeed, the second quarter may not be the best quarter for the Ateneo Golden Knights, yet they are more than eager than ever to dominate the succeeding quarters. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and Tien.
Ayan, thank you so much, Liz, for that update. So yun nga, kitang-kita din natin, Tina, wala talagang gustong magpalamang dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito, and that's a good point on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights to make sure na nababantayan nila dito yung explosive player on the side of this NCF Tigers. That's why kitang-kita natin on that second quarter na talagang medyo napakaganda ng pinakita dito ni Palillo together with Nuwada. So, yun ang naging adjustment nila sa pagpasok dito sa ating second half. Yung bantayan ang mga players na nagkakaroon ng magandang momentum on their opponents. So, let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang Ateneo, because at this moment, sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter, bumabalik ulit dito yung napakagandang fast plays ng Ateneo.
Now, back to the ballgame here. Arellano, no good on that one. And now a chance for the NCF Tigers to add a point here. Dahil wala pa po silang puntos as of the third quarter of the game here. Now, Laresma with the ball, passes to Lorenzana. Now, Brito ngayon may hawak ng bola. 7 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. And that will be a basket count with a foul. Quick replay dito, dyan sa last sequence na yan, Brito, nawala doon si Arellano. And a foul was committed here. So a 3-point opportunity will be given to him. 42-38. 4 na puntos ang inahabol ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Nakuha nga niya ni Brito. 42-39, 3 puntos na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Now Ateneo loses that ball. Franco Mase passes to Laresma. A big 3-point shot, and now we are tied on 42. Let's see anong sagot ng Ateneo. And the ball will go on the side of the NCF. And now, NCF have a chance here to get on the lead here against the Ateneo. 42 all po tayo. At ngayon, umiinit na talaga yung bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito dahil dikit na nga yung laban na ating nakikita dito. Kung kanina, napaka-intense na, mas pina-intense pa po sa quarter na ito.
Ayan, on the last minutes na nagawa ng NCF, talagang pinuntir nila yung magagandang tao din on the side of these Ateneo Golden Knights. Isa na doon si Mon Arellano na talagang napakaganda when it comes to his defense. Bantay sarado siya ngayon. But turnover on the side of the NCF. So chance for the Golden Knights here na maibalik sa kanila ang kalamang nawala para dito sa ating third quarter.
Now, Fulgar with the ball. Foul was whistled here para dito kay Gavito. Now, Abrasaldo to inbound that ball. Six minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Abrasaldo now to end ball, 42 all. A warning was called on the side. And on the bench of the Ateneo Knights. Now Fulgar passes to Domingo. 16 seconds to shoot. Tripulka for a three-pointer. In and out ball. Arenzano was there, taking advantage of his height to get that rebound.
Now, chance for the Tigers here to score. Mase, heavily guarded here. Napakalikot ng defense ang pinibitawan dito. And wasted opportunity on their side. But one more time for Mase. And now the ball stays on the side of the Tigers. 10 seconds to shoot. Franco Mase. And what a nice pass para dito kay Franco, assisting Gabito to have a point conversion. Napakaganda ng ipinakita kanina ng ating NCF.
And now, buhay na yung ating NCF community. Now they are more eager than ever to get this win against the Ateneo. Now Fulcar loses that ball. Arenzano was there to snatch it. Franco Mase for a layup, extending the lead by 4 points. And at this moment, Ateneo call for a timeout here because of that last sequence at tuwang-tuwa nga po yung mga players dito ng ating NCF Tigers. But of course, kailangan lang natin kumalma, guys. Third quarter pa lang to, mahaba-haba pa po yung magiging bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, Coach Nuki on the other side, hindi hahayaan na talagang makuha yung malaking kalamangan dito. But let's take a look at it again. Mase assisting Gabito there. Napakaganda nung play na yon dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And with that, tuwang-tuwa yung ating NCF community as well as the players here. Dahil ito nga yung malaking kalamangan na nakuha ng NCF Tigers simula nung pag-umpisa ng laban ng Ateneo at NCF Tigers.
Now let's see after this time out of Coach Nuki kung mabubuhayan ba ulit dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights, because at this moment talagang halatang-halatang NCF ngayon ang may hawak ng momentum. So let's see kung ibabalik niya ba dito si Arellano together with Tripulka and Plaza na kanina napakaganda ng performance, and Domingo of course on that first quarter. Medyo nawala nga dito yung groove na hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why nakaabante na dito ang NCF. But let's see after this time out ang adjustment ng kanyang players.
Now let's see, Ateneo now on the offense. Medyo nawala ng sapatos dito si Gabito, but the game continues here. Now Plaza, 13 seconds to shoot here. Now on the other side, Domingo denied by Arenzana. One more time. This time, nakakuha na nga yan ng Ateneo. Pero yung sapatos ni Gabito nasa gitna pa rin po ng court. Now, no good at that attempt. Plaza ngayon, libre-libre. Tying again the game on 46 all. Buhay muli. A good timeout coming from Coach Nuki. Nagawa agad ng paraan dito yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. But let's see, as Arenzana have the ball here. 11 seconds to shoot. Brito. Passes on the inside to Gabito. Nandiyan na yung sapatos niya para tumulong. Brito again. No good.
And the ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakaganda ng ginawang adjustment ng Ateneo, tying this game. Now, great block coming from the big man Arenzana.
Oh, grabe yung height advantage ni Arenzana dito. Now, Brito. Napakagandang connection between the players of the NCF from the offense to defense. Nandoon na para sa quarter na ito.
And Brito faking that one on that last sequence. Now, what would be the adjustment para dito sa ating Ateneo side?
Seconds para sa side ng Ateneo.
Now Abrasaldo to inbound, choosing Fulgar this time. Fires for that one, no good. The ball will remain on the side of their team. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Napakainit ng bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Fulgar, wala pa din, and Arenzana securing that one. Buades, itatawid ang bola.
18 seconds to shoot on their side here. A whistle foul there. Plaza tatawagan dyan ng foul. 46-48, still the NCF Tiger. Sa kanila yung 2 puntos na kalamangan dito. Buades to inbound, 3 minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. Buades to inbound. The pass to Arenzana. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Buades back to Arenzana. Big man, fakes a 3, goes inside. Pero, traveling violation on that last sequence.
And now, chance for the Golden Knights here to tie this matchup. Abrasaldo to inbound. Passing the ball to Plaza. Domingo. Wala ang attempt na yon, and now NCF with the ball possession.
Now let's see here. A big opportunity here for the NCF Tigers. But a foul was whistled. Para dito kay Abrasaldo. Now, the NCF Tigers needs to take advantage of the lost opportunity on the side of the Ateneo. 46-48 still on our scoreboard. Now Laresma on the free throw line for 2 shots. At naipasok nga yung unang free throw dito. Second free throw, that's good. Now, Ateneo.
Valle, itatawid ang bola. Plaza will try, no good. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter.
NCF pa rin may hawak ngayon ng bola. 46-50. Now Arenzana, 18 seconds to shoot here with their 4-point lead here. Arenzana, nakuha na dito ng papasahan. Brita now. Down to 5 seconds. Arenzana guarded by Plaza. Big height difference dito. Pero doon sa paikot-ikot ng NCF Tigers, naubusan sila ng oras. Now, kailangan nilang bawasan yung mga ganoon. Less dribble para less turnover para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers.
And now, Golden Knights ball possession. Tripulka. Passing the ball to Plaza. And now Domingo. 10 seconds to shoot. Tripulka will try for 3. No good. Big man Arenzana with the ball. And what a fast break play para dito kay Brito. Napaganda pa nga ang pasok na yun ni Brito. And now Valle. No good on that attempt. Foul was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Valle stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity.
Now jersey number 26, Valle, 46-52. 6 na puntos na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Now, hindi pumasok yung kanyang unang free throw dito. And he need to make sure that this one will go in. Penalty na po ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining for our third quarter. And let's go for the second free throw of Valle. But this time, it's still the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. An opportunity again on their side to extend their lead here. Padillo passes to Palaje. Back to Palillo. Loses it. Pero nakuha yan ni Palillo. Pero miscommunication dun sa mga players. So the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo.
Tripulka to inbound. Finding his teammate. But traveling violation was called on jersey number 16. Beltran on their side. That's why turnover para sa kanilang kupunan. Crucial turnover para dito sa Golden Knights. Now ibabalik na dito si Palillo on the side of NCF. Inbounding the ball. Finding Palaje. Fadeaway shot was good.
Ngayon, lumalayo na yung puntos dito ng NCF Tigers with only 55 seconds remaining for this quarter.
Down to our 53 seconds para sa ating third quarter match. Tripulka to inbound. They really need a good offense at this moment. Plaza will try. In and out ball. Offensive rebound para kay Tripulka and Arenzana blocking that one. "11 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. Beltran. At maaagaw pa nga dito ni Palaje ang bola on the side of Golden Knights. What a great defense. And Palillo making sure na magkakaroon pa ng isang point conversion ng kanilang kupunan. Ten seconds remaining para dito sa third quarter. Wala pa din. And that's the end of our third quarter. And the favor goes on the side of the NCF Tigers, 56-47. We will be right back for our fourth and final quarter, only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back for the fourth and last quarter of the game of the matchup of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. And as we can see right now, a change of momentum here before our fourth quarter comes dahil nga nakita na natin yung pagbabago ng laro dito ng NCF Tigers. Talagang nabuhayan sila during the third quarter of the game. Nag-umpisa ng second quarter na maintain nila up until the third quarter. Now let's see if they can maintain it up until the last quarter of the game. 47-59 on our scoreboard.
And now Laresma, itatawid ang bola on the side of their team. Palahe, heavily guarded here by Domingo. Losing that ball, and now Arellano is back on the side of their team. Domingo, mid-range jumper was good.
Now, wow, double digit na yung hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Change of momentum lang sa kanila dito dahil kung kanina yung Ateneo yung may hawak ng two-digit lead. Pero nabago yan ng ating NCF Tigers. Pero dito sa ating last quarter, this is the last chance for the side of the Ateneo para ibalik yung magandang laban na nasimula nila during the first quarter of the game. And to hear an update, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, update natin dyan.
Bucalandia, we are now on the last quarter of the most anticipated match of the season. During the first half of the third quarter, the Knights' consistent teamwork and strategic play are keeping them ahead. Yet, because of the missed shots and turnovers, the NCF Tigers dominated the third quarter. Habang tumatagal at mas lalo pang umiinit ang labanan. So now, we are now about to witness the last quarter. The Ateneo Golden Knights must put an extreme effort in taking care of the ball, giving a hard pressure and of course attacking the basket. Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold and witness who will have a sweet taste of victory. I am Ms. Dean Habala, your courtside correspondent reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update. So, kailangan talaga ditong ibalik yung nawalang offense at depensa ng ating Golden Knights during our first quarter. Kasi napakaganda ng habol na ginagawa ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Kitang-kita natin na medyo hirap ngayon magkaroon ng point conversion ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But right now, Mon Arellano making sure na magkakaroon sila ng puntos coming from that last sequence. 51-61 on our scoreboard. Palillo, heavily guarded here. Now, NCF losing that one. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. And Arenzana blocking that one. 16 seconds remaining para dito sa Ateneo to shoot the ball. And I think ready na rin mag-report dito ang courtside reporter ng NCF. Now, Maui, ibato mo na yan.
The atmosphere here is electric now that we are on the final stretch of this game. None of the teams are holding back, but with the Tigers' continuous efforts proves that everything is feasible with hard work and determination. With Laresma and Valerio being the game changer for the Tigers, doing an excellent job for the team. Will they continue or will they maintain their momentum for them to fully grasp the victory? Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan nga, Balilio being one of the players of the NCF na talagang nagbigay dito ng napakagandang laro. And as we can see right now, still consistently doing their job here. Gabito back on the court here for the final quarter of the game. 51-61 na 10-point lead ang pinanghahawakan ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, this will be their ball possession and they have the chance to extend it. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Now, they need to maintain it if they really want to get this win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Mase, 12 seconds to shoot here. Guarded here. Now, passes to San Gabriel. San Gabriel now against Arellano. Pero that will be a backward violation. So, the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo. Now, they need to do something here for their ball possession. They need to secure that they can have a point here. Nawada back on the court for the side of the NCF.
And now, Monarellano to inbound. Passing the ball to Valle. Plaza heavily guarded here. Tries for that one. No good. Masa securing that ball. So, ball possession ngayon ng NCF. Arenzana to Nuwada. Taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF. And a turnover on their side.
Now Ateneo with the ball possession here. 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Valle loses it. Mase was there to get it. Now Di Derecho loses it. Ball is staying on the side of the NCF Tigers.
17 seconds to shoot para dito sa Tigers. Mase to inbound. Choosing Arenzana. San Gabriel to Nuwada, and now 5 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation was called para dito kay Nuwada. Again, traveling is more fun with Naga and Travel and Tours.
Now we're halfway through the final quarter of this matchup. 51-61 still on our scoreboard. 10-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Now Masi. Guarding Valle. Ball is staying on the side of the Ateneo.
Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Kim Monteroso, Angelo Villagracia, Dave Gianan, Abby Alcantara, Luis Coral, Kyle Silver Von Brugada, and kay Lois Papa. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.
Now, as timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, 51-63. And at this moment of time, with almost half gone dito sa ating fourth quarter at napakalaking kalamangan ng NCF Tigers, 12-point lead. Kailangan ng gumawa ng paraan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights if they really want to get this win against the NCF Tigers, dahil ito yung plano nila simula pa nung una na kunin muli yung panalo nila, dahil alam naman natin during the first round it was a rough time for the NCF Tigers at ngayon talagang desidido sila na makuha yung panalo against the Ateneo. So let's see, Rick, dahil meron pa tayong 5 minutes and 6 seconds na natitira.
Ayan, back to the ball game. What would be the adjustment on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights squad? Because we are halfway through our match. 63-51, 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Tripulca to inbound.
Now, shoutout dito kay Weng Supay Morillo at Beth Tolosa Balane na nagpapa-shoutout kay James Andre Balane. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtantabay. Now, Ateneo's basketball here. 12 points yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Tripulca, no good on that one. Mase nagmamadali dito. Goes inside, step back. No good. Plaza ngayon. Pass on the outside for Arellano. Valle. Three-pointer, that's good. Muling bumawi itong ating Ateneo na ibaba sa siyam. Yung kanilang kalamangan na hinahabol.
Now, anong magiging sagot on that 3 points on the side of the NCF Tigers? Arenzana passing the ball to San Gabriel. Ayan, 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa Tigers. Ball will remain on their side. Foul was called on Plaza on that last sequence.
Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Mase. To San Gabriel. No good. Pero that will be a backward violation here. Now this is an opportunity for the Golden Knights here to lessen that gap. Balilio and Brito back on the board here for the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Arellano passes to Tripulca. 12 seconds to shoot here. Tripulca goes inside, heavily guarded, but a foul was whistled here. And he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Nawada with that foul. That's good for the first basket of Tripulca. 55-63. 8-point lead of the NCF. Now, chance here. Down in 7. Pero hindi nakuha yung free throw na yan. Now, Brito with the ball.
Heavily guarded here. Now Palilio taking his time. And a traveling violation was called on Palilio on that last sequence. At mapapatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang NCF Tigers because hindi na nagiging maganda dito ang passing ng ating Tigers side. Now, Napakaganda at effective ng ginawang adjustment nila Coach Nuki together with his player. That's why medyo nahihirapan dito ang NCF when it comes to their offense. So let's see kung makakahabol na ba dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights, or will the NCF Tigers patuloy ulit na aarangkada dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. 3 minutes and 26 seconds remaining po para dito sa ating laro.
Ayun nga. Medyo mahaba pa tong 3 minutes and 26 seconds na ito. Dahil nga marami bang pwedeng mangyari dito dahil desidido pa rin at determinado itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito na makuha yung panalo. At dyan sa 8 puntos na naibaba ng Ateneo, there's a big chance that the Ateneo will snatch this win. So let's see if the NCF Tigers will maintain their momentum here. Na ngayon nakikita natin na paunti-unting nawawala dahil doon sa mga lost opportunity doon sa kanilang side. At muling nabubuhay itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So hindi talaga natin alam, hindi pa natin masabi dahil napakadikit ng laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito at talagang hanggang ngayon, andyan pa rin yung kanilang determinasyon na makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now let's see as if this is the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Valle. Heavily guarded here by Nuada. Passes to Tripulka. 5 seconds on the shot clock here. Tries for a long two. No good. San Gabriel. Pero andyan si Tripulka to snatch that ball. And that's it. The Ateneo gets it. Domingo for that basket. And now, 6 na puntos. Napakalapit na po natin. Brito na goes inside. Denied. And a foul. Now, Brito. (57-63). We've seen a lot of faces here sa ating matchup na to. Lahat talaga ng players ng Ateneo at ng NCF talagang gumagawa ng paraan dito to contribute here for the score of their team. Now Brito, no good on that first free throw. There's still a big chance here for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And even free throws, pinaka-importante sa lahat. Again, let's see for the second free throw of Brito. Wala pa rin. Ateneo, Arellano secured that ball. Tripulka. Passes on the other side, denied. Jersey number 14 gets it. Now Arellano. Down to 10 seconds, Valle. Passes back to Arellano here. Down to 5 seconds. They need to do something here. Tries! And Arellano gets it. And they are now down to 4-point lead. Nagkakagulo na po sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Both community are shouting for their team's name. Nuada. We're now on the last 2 minutes of the game here. Palilio goes inside. Diretso. Basket count with a foul here.
Napakagandang ginawa on that last sequence ni Palilio. Look at that. What a move para dito sa NCF Tigers. Samahan pa yan ng foul. Again, Palilio showing us na dapat mapasa kanila ang panalo this afternoon. One of the players here sa NCF Tigers na talaga namang nag-stand out at this moment.
And now Palilio for a 3-point play here. 59-65. 6 points. Pero wala dyan sa free throw. Palilio with that rebound. Passes now to Palahe. Back to Palilio. 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Palahe now with the ball. Down to 5 seconds here. What will they do now? Nuada, no good. Plaza secured that ball on the side of the Ateneo. Loses it. But Arellano was there. Back to Plaza. 15 seconds to shoot. And a steal from the side of the NCF now. Palilio. NCF now on the penalty here. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. They are taking their time. San Gabriel was there to get that point and to withstand the lead of the NCF Tigers. 8 puntos muli ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. Pero 1 minute and 15 seconds po natitira sa atin. And the Ateneo Golden Knights is really ready to conquer it. But now, Tripulca is down on the side of the Ateneo. Now let's wait. Napakaganda nung sunod-sunod na sequence na yon between the Ateneo and the NCF, and up until now, Tripulca is down. Nako, prone talaga sa injury itong si Tripulca. And smiling behind that pain.
Let's hope na cramps lang itong nangyari kay Tripulca.
Isa pa naman siya sa mga key players
Yes.
ng Ateneo ngayon. So this will be a big loss for their team now na naghahabol sila dito ng 8 puntos.
So let's see kung anong magiging impact nito on the side of the Golden Knights, because again, na-mention mo nga Tin kanina na isa si Mac Tripulca sa inaasahan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, because we know kung paano ito gumalaw. Now, great steal again coming from this boy, EJ Palilio. Napakaganda ngayon ang ipinapakita ni Palilio. Now, down to our last minute of the game. Nuwada passing the ball to Palahe, too short on that. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Another steal.
James Nuwada tatawagan dyan ng technical foul. 48 seconds remaining here.
So, both teams talagang mainit na at this moment, because again, 48 seconds na lang po ang natitira para sa larong ito. And we cannot conclude yet kung sino po ang mananalo, because 67-59 lamang ang score natin ngayon.
Pero very crucial yun kay Aureliano, hindi niya naipasok yung free throw.
Yes.
Which is very important right now.
Now, NCF basketball. Nuwada to inbound. At natawagan nga pala ng technical dito si Nuwada. Let's see kung anong gagawin nilang pagbawi dito. Ten seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF. And Nuwada, babawi ba? No good on that last attempt. Great steal coming from the Tigers, at tuwang-tuwa dito si Justin San Gabriel on that last sequence.
Another technical was called to James Nuwada. Grabe. Now the bench of the NCF Tigers. Talagang mainit na dito. So the officiating officials will review that last sequence. "15 seconds remaining here. 59:67. But let's see. James Nuada dito. Yung talagang nadamihan ng foul na naitawag. 59:67. This will be hard for the Ateneo to really have this 8 points na magawa nila ng paraan. Both teams are now on the penalty.
Ayan, shoutout ulit tayo team sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay John Carlo Mamonong, kay Kyle Monet Largado, Rojana Belsa Sabordo, kay Jingle Arenzana, kay Miss Kayla Gaupo, at kay Jeric Janko. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta simula sa ating first quarter up until this fourth and deciding quarter.
And of course, sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium, talagang bigay todo ng suporta nila para sa Ateneo and NCF Tigers. Napakaganda nung kanilang ibinibigay na laro dito ngayong hapon na ito. So let's see kung anong habang mangyayari in this last 15 seconds of the game. And now, ang ating pong huling laban mamaya po for the second round of elimination ay ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions versus the Biscast. Now, James Nuada, technical foul yung itatawag dito and he's out of the playing court. Pero mabuti na lang dahil patapos na din yung ating laban dito. 15 seconds remaining. Arellano now on the free throw line. Now let's see on that last sequence on what really happened between Arellano and Nuada. Now another timeout was called here. 60-67, 7 points yung hinahabol ngayon ng Ateneo. And with the remaining time of 15 seconds, let's see what will happen here. Will there be a changes? Or the NCF Tigers will snatch that win and get the second round of elimination against the Ateneo Golden Knights. $60-67, and now we'd also like to thank our sponsors. We have Elite Sportswear, Havaianas, and Bigs. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Now, last walk na lang tayo dito sa ating matchup ng Ateneo and NCF. Now back on the court here.
Ayan, 15 seconds na lamang po ang natitira dito sa larong ito. And ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Let's see kung makukuha na ba dito ng NCF ang kanilang panalo. There you have it. Congratulations sa NCF Tigers for winning this one. And also, Ateneo Golden Knights. Pinakitaan din tayo na magandang performance sa araw na ito. And that's it. Makikilala natin po maya-maya when we write back ang ating best player of the game. So it's not yet over. Time out pala ang itinawag ni Coach Nuki. (67-60) on our scoreboard. Both teams are now on the penalty side. And 97 milliseconds remaining. And that's it. Congratulations to NCF Tigers and congratulations to sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Binigyan tayo ng mainit na bakbakan. Don't go away because when we come back, we will know who's our best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students.
And the Naga College Foundation Tigers gets the win this afternoon, and our best player of the game is brought to you by NCF, home of the champions. And our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 1, EJ Palillo with 17 points and 2 rebounds. Now, EJ, pag-usapan natin to, it was an intense game between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. So how does your team adjust to get this win this afternoon?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon sa panalo na binigyan niya sa amin. Unang-una po, ginawa lang po namin yung pinapagawa ni Coach. Nag-double effort kami, especially po sa depensa po. Yun po.
Now, it was a rough time during the first round of elimination nung nakalaban niyo yung Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero ngayon, ano ba yung personal adjustment mo, personal preparation mo to get this win?
Ako po yung, una-una po yung condition po sa sarili po. Tapos nag-adjust po ako sa labas. Tapos una po, ginawa ko po puro sa loob lang po. Tapos, yun lang po.
And now, na ikaw yung ating best player of the game, it's your chance to shout out for your supporters and family na natagang sumuporta sa'yo up until now.
Binabati ko nga pala po yung pamilya ko sa Tarlac po. Ganon din po sa Mindanao po. Yun lang po.
Ayan,
tapos, special po kay Sir Mario po, tapos Sir Joel po. At po yung NCF community po.
Ayan, thank you so much. Again, that's our best player of the game, jersey number 1, EJ Palillo, brought to you by NCF, home of the champions.
Salamat po.
At yun nga po ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 1, EJ Palillo. Napakagandang laban po ang ibinigay sa atin ngayong hapon na to ng laban ng Ateneo Golden Knights and NCF Tigers.
So ang sunod po natin na matchup, it's between the CSPC Blue Stallion versus the Biscast. So another matchup na dapat nating tutukan dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Canzo Reyes. Makakasama niyo po kami maya-maya lang only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.